Today, we're unlocking the secrets of one of the most famous theorems in mathematics, Pythagoras' Theorem. Get ready to explore a rule so powerful that it changed the way we measure the world. Imagine a right-angled triangle. The theorem states that the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides is equal to the square of the longest side, the hypotenuse. That's right. If the two shorter sides of the triangle are A and B and the hypotenuse is C, then the formula is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Let's examine a visual representation of the theorem. Picture a right-angled triangle where the two shorter sides measure 3 units and 4 units, while the hypotenuse measure 5 units. Create a square from the hypotenuse side with length 5 units. Create another square with the side measuring 4 units. Create a third square with the side measuring 3 units. The area of the square with length 3 units is 9 square units. The other square has an area of 16 square units, while the longest side has an area of 25 square units. Notice that the sum of the area of the two smaller squares is the same as the area of the largest square formed from the hypotenuse. Let's look at a problem. A ship sailed 10 kilometers south from a port P to another port Q. From port Q, the ship then sailed 24 kilometers west to port R. What is the straight line distance from port P to port R? To solve this problem, it's best to draw a diagram to represent the information given, then write down the theorem A squared plus B squared equals C squared, and apply it to the diagram, which is a right-angled triangle. Now A and B represents the two shorter sides, PQ and QR, while C represents PR, the hypotenuse side. That means we can substitute 10 for A and 24 for B. 10 squared is 100, and 24 squared is 576, so we end up with 676 equals C squared. Therefore, C equals the square root of 676, which is 26. Hence, the distance PR equals 26 kilometers. Let's try another problem. A ladder 17 meters long is leaning against a vertical wall. The distance from the foot of the ladder to the base of the wall is 8 meters. How far up the wall does the ladder reach? Again, the best approach is to always use a diagram to represent the scenario. The ladder forms the hypotenuse C, which is 17 meters. The horizontal distance from the foot of the ladder to the base of the wall is B, which is 8 meters. The height up the wall reached by the ladder is the perpendicular height AA. Substituting the values in the Pythagoras theorem, we get A squared plus 8 squared equals 17 squared. 8 squared is 64, and 17 squared is 289. If we subtract 64 from both sides, we get A squared equals 225. To find the value of A, we take the square root of 225, which is 15. Therefore, the ladder reaches 15 meters up the wall. Pause the video and try this final problem. The two shorter sides are x and 12, so we replace A and B with x and 12. The hypotenuse is 15, so we replace C with 15. 12 squared is 144, while 15 squared is 225. Now subtract 144 from both sides, so we end up with x squared equals 81. X is therefore the square root of 81, which is 9. To wrap up, the Pythagorean theorem is a powerful tool that has many real-world applications in construction, navigation, and design. Keep practicing with different problems to master it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Adobe Math Lab for more math lessons that make learning easy and fun. See you in the next video.